Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video, and what I want to talk to y'all today about is just an awesome website. I mean, this site is a site that you do not want to sleep on. I repeat, it's so many ways to make money with this site. I mean, you go over here to earn, you can do surveys, you can do offer walls, you can watch videos. Also, you need to check your inbox every day. They hit you with your daily survey, and then they give promo codes where you get free points. If you enter that code and redeem it within 24 hours, you get free points. You see that right there? Always check that. Then they got a raffle contest. You see there? You can get Amazon gift cards, Sam's club gift cards. They got a lucky number thing right here. You can purchase ticket and win some really big prizes with this too. Or you can get it with points. Either way. I mean, they got other contests right here. Got offer wall contests right here. You see, people ain't playing around. You see these people right here on the leaderboard got 8,000, 4,000 points. See what I mean right here? But this is a site you just want to surf and browse through every drop of this site. Now, what really makes this site so awesome is the referral program. With the referral program right here, earn with referrals, you can just have passive PayPal money coming in from everybody in your downline working. And then if you hammer away, it's like you're going to be cashing out all the time. Trust me on that. You see my affiliate link right there. Refer, passively earn, redeem rewards. You can get that money straight to PayPal. And look, check that out. Sit back and watch your points balance grow. As your referral earn points, you will earn 20% bonus based on all their earnings. Now, that's not going to deduct from their earnings. It's just pretty much matching bonus of everything that they do that they're going to give you. And then when you get a certain amount of points, all you got to do is come in here and cash out. But yeah, this is a site, you know, there's a lot of stuff going on where people can't work a regular job. They could be disabled. They could just want online entrepreneurship and just want to do something from their computer, which is perfectly fine. But yeah, with this site right here, you definitely don't want to sleep on it, like I say. If it's an opportunity to get serious about online, this is one I highly recommend. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a link below. And I'm also going to put a link to my blog so y'all can see my other stuff. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button. But yeah, this is also free to sign up with. So it's not going to cost you anything to get started. Like I say, go ahead and start getting your feet wet with surveys, offer walls, videos. You know, I mean, it's just everything in here. I mean, raffles, lucky numbers, contests, just everything. Earn with referrals, like I say, which is huge. And then remember, I tell you, like every day, come over here and check your inbox. I think I done received another. Yeah. Today, only high parent surveys from you from Sampliciously or whatever, Samplicious Daily or whatever. But yeah, like I say, always free points. They always giving away. I mean, it's just always something. You know, you do a five day in a row to earn additional bonus. It's just an unbelievable site. So with that being said, go ahead and sign up under me for free and check out my blog. Y'all have a good day. Peace.